In a major anti-narcotics operation, police have destroyed an estimated 25,000 cannabis plants in the Belphang area of Goyamoni village. The raid, which took place on Wednesday afternoon, was a coordinated effort by law enforcement officials.
The operation was launched around 1:30 p.m. and was spearheaded by a team including Khoi Sub-Divisional Police Officer D. Khudai Rasu and the officer in charge of the Baijalwari Police Station, Jugal Tripura. The team also included personnel from the police force and Tripura State Rifles Jawans. Speaking to reporters after the successful raid, OC Jugal Tripura emphasized the police commitment to combating drug cultivation. This kind of operation will continue in the future, he stated, sending a clear message to those involved in illegal drug activities.
Dini sin aro ganja cara tanah ini sing sidanto naka authority by Koksabino sing dini aro Goyamoni bisini andaro Belphang kamio tuigan awo kobongma ganja sing khlaijak mangkha cara tei bisa torjak rok tanka sing prai 20 te 25,000 cara rok sing nosto khaikya tanai joton tanai khibika tebo sin thani khobor phai kangene sing je jagane khobor phai sing aron thangai ganja sing tanai sini o area o ganja khlai mangalak tini aro SDP sani leadership o se SDP khowai tongo o sarni loge ang tongo OC Bajalwari tayani staff TSR kobongmo tongo including women constable bo tongo abtikino sintini ganja sara tankha sini CM sar jehetu nayo aro nesamuk Tripura aboni bagainya sing bini kokni surinya sing abtike area bo thangai sing ganja obhijan chalok.
The destruction of the plants represents a significant blow to the local drug trade and underscores the authorities' ongoing efforts to eradicate narcotics from the region. No arrests have been reported at this time, but the investigation is ongoing. Reported by Belphang from Khoi, Chini, Khorang.